and here often.
So how you feeling?
Tell them say, them not good. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video we're gonna do basically a challenge, you understand? So we are gonna win a grand prize of $10,000 whoever win the challenge. So hope you guys stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Remember to like this video, right, and subscribe if you haven't already, and just stay tuned.
Yeah!
Yeah people, so right now we're gonna do a challenge, you understand? So we're gonna do some push-up so who can becomes strongest, you understand? Man, start work input the camera, brother. Stay on place, man.
Very wild one. Right now, me I win.
No, sir, me I win. See that? Strong, you see it? So make sure, say, right now, if you're not sweating, if you must not show, you understand? So, right, so just get it, you understand? Yeah.
Ready for it?
Let's get it.
You first start, Delhi. Come on,
Yeah, so you have to say. So you have to say.
Never give up. I'm in this to win this $10,000.
You have to say.
I'm going to win the 10 grand.
That,
What you have to say?
you have to say. Don't is no contest. You understand? It is
You want
does
it?
it. Does it. No
Yes,
contest.
does it.
My, we talk, brother.
Alright.
I interrupt me at all.
Put it in every video.
Eh?
Just dead.
Eh?
Put it in every video.
Alright, watch it now. Me I win it. You understand? Anyway, ready?
Yeah.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11.
I'm not there! Yo, me can't mind it. I'm not there! Me can't mind it.
In boss long time, you know. You see it? In boss long time. Because, watch you know, me, I do more than them. So, watch you know.
The video I got to prove it.
No.
People who don't tell Owen.
When time I do 3, them are the one, you know. You understand? So you watch back the video, you can see what I go on. You understand? So right now, we think say, I mean I lead so far. People, tell me who you think I lead so far. Yeah.
Me.
Let me know who you think I lead so far. You understand? Based on push up them.
Nice.
Yeah, so that was a little jumping completion, you understand? Hopefully we can see who jump the ice. You understand? I'm not sure as yet. Yeah, so the contest in there. Same way. Yeah.
You're paying 10 grand.
Yeah. So yeah, so we do more challenge than one thing. You understand? And we can guys see what go on.
You're a racer now.
Yeah.
That's the one long time one. We come long.
Yes, when they say fastest, let me know people. They drop in the comment section who you think are the fastest out of the 3 way. You understand? Is it really?
Yeah.
I know.
Faster than boat to say.
Alright, so let's get the competition. Roll and oh yeah, let's see what go on.
Not them boat and fast like me now. Watch and see.
Fast like who? What do you think I win Delhi?
You know say, may the best go to the best winner.
Best what the best?
Yeah, wish him the best. Because the boy not run left me today.
You see, all them boys for play more, they don't fast like me, you know. You should not go on people. You understand? Me tell you something, you know. All them attack and go on. Me, nah say nothing. Nah say nothing.
Yeah, I said that. Yeah, I said. So I'm going back to my the camera. Look. No, yeah, come on. Yeah, listen.
Yeah.
I'm force. Force, we say.
First?
Yeah.
Talk up now. Let me see your face.
Yeah, don't give me a push that.
Alright, so there are 2 contestants here. And the first contestant is
Brooks!
yeah, and the second contestant
Red
is
Buck!
right. So we are here in the challenge, right? Running off to see which one is the fastest. And they are gearing up and warm up. So how you feel about this event?
I feel fit. Just don't beat them in the push up. So many things they can beat me in the running or the jumping.
So how you feel? Right, so let's get it. So right here, guys, is the mark. Right, so let us line up right here. So guys, get ready on the mark up here.
And I'm going to start coming. You feel what it is? Open up all that.
Hey, go back. You can't have video, my youth.
My hand about to something, brother. Ready?
On the mark. Set. Go. And they're off and running. And Dylan is leading. And Dylan is coming. It's catching up. And they are going. And it seems like Dylan is doing now.
Get that boy! Get that boy! Get that boy!
So, and here's the winner, guys.
Yeah!
How you feel about this
10,000 for me, buying a TV, a fridge, I feel good.
So how do you feel about this competition? Do you feel that this was a fair race? Why?
Because we start our back.
Why?
We feel like shit. I should lose that. You got this one back still now. And the mark?
Come on, wait, man.
You can't do the fast now?
You have to talk to him on first.
Yeah, so.
No, you can't talk to me without that.
So how you feel about this race, Ackeem?
Right, so right now, him lose already, you know. So right now, me try defend the title, you understand?
Yeah.
And try to get it back. You know, so you me a race against next.
Alright.
You understand? So I try win now, for try get into groove.
Okay,
See,
Ackeem.
you ready already, you know?
So how you feel? You ready?
You're on 3 marks already. So
Yeah, in the
you win
few
this
marks. Alright.
So, do you think, you know?
Yeah, man.
No, I talk too fast, you know.
Straight out.
Mark, get on your mark. I can't run if you want to like. And the mark, get set.
Well, I don't want to hear that.
Yeah, we know.
Alright, yeah.
Too fast, brother.
Alright, on your mark, yeah. On your mark, get set, go. I can't watch that gun. Yeah, man, fast that gun left at the line.
You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take it like a cake.
So how you feel? You lose two races. Show your face.
Piece of cake.
Piece of cake.
Piece of cake. So guys, right now, you know say champion, you understand? 2 champion are gonna face off. You know this a challenger, that's a racer.
Yeah.
Right now the place kinda windy.
Yeah.
Rain cannot come down. You understand? So basically, we're gonna see who I title.
Wow, title.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. So
Alright.
ready.
Ready. Boom! Yeah.
Ready. Your thing. Start up.
Start yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Get your set. On your box. Get set. Go. So how you feeling?
I'm gonna tell them say them not good.
How you feeling, Delroy?
Feel good coming second, man. Feel
I
good.
say him not good.
It's good.
Feel good, man. Winning the push-up, losing the race.
So that was 3 challenge people, you understand? Actually win. How much win? Probably about 2 or 1, you understand? But yeah, it was a great challenge. It was a great game, right? So people, so if you like this video, would enjoy watching this, make sure say you subscribe to the channel, you understand? Like this video, comment what you think was the best part. And as always, I see you in the next one. Peace. Peace.
Out.
Out.
Oh,
So what you have to got to say, Daddy?
it was a great event and we had a great time. So tune in for the next video for part 2.
Tune in for the human too.
For the human too.